So this is another way on how they can ask questions under GP. So let us look at this question which came in 2023, paper 2 GCE. So the question reads, in a geometric progression, the second term is 21 and the fourth term is 189. Calculate the first term and the common ratio. So what we do, what we are going to do, in a geometric progression, the second term is given by first term times common ratio, which is AR, is equal to, in the question, the second term is 21. We call this as equation 1. Next, the fourth term, which is AR to the power 3, is equal to, in the question we are given that it is 189. We call this as equation 2. So next, what do you do? Divide equation 2 by equation 1. Don't make a mistake to divide equation 1 by 2, but it's equation 2 by equation 1. So how do we divide? We start with this side. This side in equation 2 we have AR to the power 3. Divided by in equation 1 we have AR. Is equal to this side in equation 2 we have 189. Divided by in equation 1 we have 21. So what we do, A and A occur. So according to the rules of indices, R to the power 3 divided by R, this is R to the power 1. The result, you subtract the powers, it will be R to the power 2, which is equals to 189 divided by 21. The result is 9. Next, what we do to find our common ratio, we are going to square root 9. So we are going to find the square root of 9. So what is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is 3. So the common ratio is 3. Then we are requested to find the first term and the common ratio. Now let's find the first term. To find the first term, we can use either the first equation or the second equation. We substitute R. So from the first equation, we have AR is equals to 21. So where there is R, we put the value of R is 3, equals to 21. So 3 times A, it will be 3A, is equals to 21. Now what we do, we divide both sides by 3. So A will be equal to 21 divided by 3, that is 7. Therefore, the first term is 7 and the common ratio is 3. Now, let's move on to the next question. The next question. So the next question is to find the sixth term. So to find the sixth term, we are going to use this formula for the nth term, which is Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1, where n will be 6, which is T6, the sixth term, is equals to A, the first term we have found 7, multiplied by the common ratio is 3, which is the 3 to the power, our n is 6, then minus 1. So don't make a mistake to multiply 7 by 3. First, evaluate this side, drop down 7 times 3 to the power 6 minus 1, that is 5. So that will be 7 multiplied by, now 3 to the power 5, you do it on the calculator, 3 to the power 5, that will be 243. So from there, we multiply 243 by 7, that will be 1,701. So that is it, the sixth term. The next question is to find sum of the first 5 terms. So again, we check our common ratio, because on sum, we have 2 formulas. As you can check, they will provide you with formulas, or when you check on the cover page, we have 2 formulas. So those formulas, you have to know how to use it, how to use them. So the first thing, we check our common ratio. Since our common ratio is greater than 1, so we use this formula. Sum of n terms is equals to A R to the power n minus 1, then close divided by R minus 1. So Sn, sum of how many terms? Our n will be 5. Sum of 5 terms will be, our A is 7, R, that is it. Common ratio we found 3 to the power 5, then minus 1, close. Then our common ratio, which is 3 minus 1. So next, this is 7 multiplied by 3 to the power 5, that is 243. Then minus 1. Divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2. Next, that will be 7 multiplied by 243 minus 1, that is 242. Divided by 2. So, we multiply 7 by 242. So, 7 by 242, 7 multiplied by 242. So the result will be 1,694. 1,694, then divide by 2. So next what we do, we divide 1,694 divide by 2. So the result will be 847. So that is how we solve that question. So it ends there.